Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Logitech mouse is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Obviously, first of all, check the battery if it is an external mouse or whatever power connection it uses. For example, in my case, I have a chargeable mouse. So check the battery before anything else. Now, once this part is sorted out, search for device manager and click on device manager and expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update drivers and update all the drivers. Okay. Once this is done, the next solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates, retry whatever option you get in the right pane. And the last option is obviously for clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.